Hello, welcome to the Green Club Toy Shed, and today I'm going to be making a fold-away table so it can lift up, a hammock, a ladder so Chelsea can get into the loft, and some storage. So we're going to start by taking 6 lollipop sticks, which I have just here. So I start with a hinge. It's an inch and a half, 4 centimeters. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it to this board. I've marked where I'm going to stick the table from, and then it's a door hinge, so as you can see it flaps, so it'd be perfect for a table. Right, so I'm going to stick that. And remember, glue gun, working with a glue gun can get very hot and you need adult supervision. So I'm now going to stick the hinge to where I've made my little marker. So I think that's stuck. Now I'm going to do 6 lollipop sticks together, and I'm going to try and do them at the edges so I can leave them space for the hinges. Now I've stuck the hinge to the top of the piece of table, I'm going to stick the lollipop like that to it, making sure that it's flat and that it doesn't go over the side of the table. So about to there, I reckon. Now I've stuck the hinge and I've got that ready, I'm going to stick the table to the door hinge. Just hold it there till it sets. And it can fold under. And then you can see, now it's been done, you put Barbie in, And then on a previous video I made the bench. Right, so I'm going to put the dolls away, and then I'm going to start working on the hammock now.